We are here in Palakkad and I have with me some young women voters excited about voting for the first time.
Yes, I'm so excited to vote for the first time, ma'am.
So you have to educate yourself on what is happening, or are you aware of what is happening?
I am aware of what is happening, and it's our duty to vote. We should vote.
And what do you think when you're voting? I mean, what are the issues you talk about or parents discuss? Do you watch media? How do you know about
I
politics?
think I watch media, and we are aware of what's happening around us, and we are seeing, we are watching everything. So yeah,
Oh, that is wonderful to see. So when you're looking at a political party, you look at candidates, you look at manifestos as well? You understand, I mean, that these parties seems to be more girl friendly, for instance, with schemes for girl children.
yes, yes.
Understand every party's motive and the way they work. Like, even if we don't understand a lot, we are just trying to learn about each of the party's motive and ideas.
Are you into going to be voting this time? Voter ID card is there.
Yes,
You have to now do your research.
yes. I have to think.
But you trust your parents. Maybe they have some views and they may pass it on to you.
Yes, they will tell me their ideas and views. So I will just look and I conclude my own views.
But voting is a very important right. Is that right? I mean, why is it important, you think?
Because it's our responsibility to make the country better. So it's just a small duty to vote, and we have to.
It's also a privilege, isn't it, that we have the power to change governments or leaders.
Of course, we have the power to change government, and the promises they make, the candidates make, and their past histories. That's all. Our vote depend on that promises.
So, does issues like corruption you feel worried about? You think somebody who's corrupt you will not want to elect?
Yes.
What are the qualities you look for in leader?
I think the way they present themselves and the promises they make and the things they do for common people, these are the qualities.
What are your expectations from your leader?
I just feel like rather than just preaching, everyone should practice what they preach. So that's the basic quality that we expect. So every time when leaders come for the election, they talk a lot. They'll say, "I'll do this, I'll do that," but only some of them have been achieved. So I expect that each and even if the points they are saying is less, it's fine. Everything should be achieved. That's what I basically expect from leaders.
Fulfill your promises is
Yes,
what you're
exactly,
telling them.
yes, exactly.
During elections, they have these incentives. They give gifts to people. Does that make a difference to the voting?
It may, because there are some people who got attracted using that small. It's just like tactics. That's it. Apart from that, the main result depends on the people's thinking about each leader. That's it.
So, youngsters here, certainly with their very clear views about what they want to see in a leader, and certainly hoping to exercise their franchise with responsibility to ensure that we have a better government.